shared school bus system that will be vehicles of joy, safety, safety, students of the very schools of the.
One, two, and three. Okay, now move this.
Oh, hi.
Please step. The buses take the first one to the schools of the